Good morning, all. This is Lakshmi Prasanna, English faculty, DAV High School, Nalatur. Hello, children. In our previous class, we have learnt about the definition of family and its kinds, and also known about advantages and disadvantages of both the kinds of families. And then we have learned the story of an old woman who was uncared by her own son, named The Tattered Blanket, written by Kamala Das. In the story, we have learnt that Gopi, a big officer in Delhi, living with his wife and 4 children, comes to Kerala to visit his mother, who was an 85-year-old woman. She lives with his eldest sister Kamala, who is a widow. His unexpected arrival surprised both the sister as well as mother, who generally forgot her present but remembers the past. Her memory was quite sharp that she asks about Gopi's letters now and then. Kamala, who understood the purpose of his brother's visit, straight away questions him the valid reason for his visit after these many years. Gopi tried to convey her about his inconvenience in not visiting his mother. Now let us move further into the story and know whether Gopi, a selfish son, was able to heal his mother's wounded heart or not. Gopi was trying to get back his mother's memory, but she was deeply depressed that her mind wasn't in a state to accept his arrival, and on top of it, she questioned him about his mother's name, asking who is his Amma, what is her name, where does she live, is it far from here? But the mother has the picture of her son in her mind. The next moment, she says that her son was in Delhi, a government officer, and he had Kesari Yogam, which means well settled position. Also, she says that he drew a salary of 2,500 rupees. Amma tells Gopi if he meets her son to ask him to send her a blanket, a red color one. The one blanket which she has at present was bought by Gopi when he was studying in Madras, and it is all tattered then. So she asked Gopi to convey her son to bring her a blanket, as there is cold mist in the mornings. Kamala knows that Gopi has come only for money, not to see the mother. It took more than 5 years for him to find time to come home. Finally, Kamala says, Amma is 83 now, and it took these many years for him to visit her after the last time. But Gopi tries to give his excuses for not visiting Amma. And after all, he tries to console himself, saying that Amma can't remember who he was. Immediately, Kamala questions him whether he remembers Amma or not. This question puts Gopi in guilt. And without answering her questions, he simply talks about the sale of his share of the family property. So, the story ends with Kamala's question to Gopi whether he remembered his Amma. And by God's grace, Amma doesn't recognize her son as she had memory loss. In fact, forgetfulness is a great blessing for her, as her son doesn't have any love towards her. Now, children, from this story, The Tattered Blanket, which gives a clear view of broken human relations, let us know or learn that how we have to pay our attention towards our parents who are the heart and soul of our lives. It is mere our responsibility that parents who struggle hard for their children when they are young must be cared by the young when they become old. So, with this message, I think all of us will learn and will definitely be a support for our parents who are the strength and root cause of our lives. Now, children, let us go with textbook lesson reading. Here I provide you the content of the lesson in the video. Read the lesson and find the synonyms of the underlined words using dictionary.